I am Teacher Rachel Balahadja, your learning buddy in this episode. I will take you to another fun and learning journey in our Super K Teleskwela. Science time is fun time. For this special episode, all you need to do is sit and watch as I gradually unfold all the activities which you will surely enjoy and at the same time, learning. In this episode, you will be able to identify and describe the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Are you excited to start your learning adventures? Come on! Let's go to Super K Teleskwela! As you engage yourself in each learning activity, make sure you have your science module for our today's lesson. Don't forget also to ready your paper and your pen. Are you ready in accomplishing your first learning task? If yes, listen carefully and look at your screen as we flash on the activity you need to answer. Are you guys ready? Your answers? Let's see if you get a perfect score. What mixtures are written under homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures? Wow! Amazing! You got them all correctly. Kids, were you able to identify homogeneous from heterogeneous mixture in the first activity? If so, get your paper and pen and continue learning by answering this activity. Identify the given pictures below and write the type of mixture. Write your answer in your answer sheet. Let's now check your answers. What kind of mixture is in number 1? Correct! It is homogeneous mixture. How about the mixture given in number 2? Very good! Halo-halo is a heterogeneous mixture. What kind of mixture is in number 3? Great job! Salt is an example of homogeneous mixture. Excellent! You're all correct! You did great in your first learning task. Bravo! kids! You surely hit them right. You will have a taste of more success if you keep tuned on Super K Teleskwela. Kids, do you know that you may encounter mixtures in any solutions every day from the moment you have your breakfast? Take a shower and move on to do your everyday task. You cannot deny that one way or another, you deal with solutions in any mixtures you use. Homogeneous mixtures appear uniform to the eye. They consist of a single phase, be it liquid, gas, or solid, no matter where you sample them or how closely you examine them. Heterogeneous mixtures are not uniform. If you take two samples from different parts of the mixture, they will not have an identical composition. In this next activity, you will find out how to identify the solute and solvent in a given solution based on the pictures flashed on your screen. Are you excited, kids? Let's begin! Now, let us check your answers. What is the solute and the solvent in number 1? You're surely correct! Powdered orange is the solute and water is the solvent. How about in number 2? Awesome! Coffee powder is the solute and hot water is the solvent. In the given picture in number 3, what is the solute and the solvent? Great job! Sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Very good, kids! You got all 3 correct answers! Amazing! Solution is a mixture consisting of solute and solvent. Solvent is the substance that dissolves another substance. Most substance can be dissolved in water, which makes it a universal solvent, while solute is the substance dissolved by the solvent. However, not all substances can be dissolved in water. Substances that dissolve are said to be soluble, whereas those that do not dissolve are said to be insoluble. In the previous activity, you've learned that mixture is formed by combination of two substances where one substance dissolved called solute in other substance with greater amount referred as solvent. Let's now identify which description and example are the solute and the solvent to the following. When we return, we will be revealing the correct answers. So stay tuned after a short break. Let's now have a trivia. Think about this. Among other liquids, water or H2O is the universal solvent. Want to know why it is called the universal solvent?
Batang Kapampangan, Supergay! Batang Kapampangan, Supergay!
Welcome back, Super K Kids! Are you now ready with your answers? Let's see if you'll get a perfect score. The following are the correct answers. Kids, congratulations if you hit a perfect score. If not, there will still be another activity for you to make up. Now that you are familiar with the difference of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, let's try recalling what we have learned so far. Can you define the meaning of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? Mixture that appears to be the same throughout. It is well mixed or the substances are distributed evenly throughout. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that does not appear to be the same throughout. It is the least mixed type of mixture because the particles are large enough to be seen and may be separated from one another. Wow! You really listened and watched attentively in our discussion. This time, state the difference between a solute and a solvent. You're doing a great job, kids! A solute is any substance that seems to be disappear or to dissolve in a solution. It is dissolved in a solvent. A solvent is a substance in which the solute dissolved. It is generally the substance with the largest amount in a mixture. The universal solvent is water because it is capable of dissolving a variety of different substances. After hearing you giving the correct answers, I believe you are ready for our final task. Again, ready your paper and pen and try this activity. To answer this part, you need to classify the following as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. You may write your answers in your paper. is. Listen carefully and check your answers. How did you identify item number 1? You're right! How about number 2? Correct! For item number 3? Bravo! What about item number 4? And finally, for item number 5? Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Got all the correct answers in true or false. Ready? Check your work. Is the statement in number 1 true or false? Correct! How about in number 2? Very good! What about in number 3? Good job, kids! What about in number 4? Awesome! And last, in number 5? Congratulations, Super K kids! You really did well in this episode. Just before we end our today's Teleskwela, let's go back to the trivia or question posed before the end of the first segment. What do you think water is called the universal solvent? Your answer is correct! Did you have fun in our today's session, kids? We do hope that you learn and enjoy the lab from your activities. How about giving yourself a sounding clap? Again, I am Teacher Rachel Balahadja. Please tune in again tomorrow, same time, same station, for another learning journey with Super K Teleskwela. Till then, happy viewing!